Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 microcontroller. In this video lecture, we shall start with the lab programs related to arithmetic instructions. The first program is to add block of data. First, we shall understand the logic of this program. Let us assume I have an array like this. The starting address is 30H. So I have taken 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the array size is 5. And I have stored the data like this in hexadecimal 80H, 90H, 95H, 85H and 70H. So you should be careful whether you are feeding the data in hexadecimal or decimal. Okay. So if you add this up, so the result you will get is 29A. This is the result you will be getting in hexadecimal 29AH. What is the logic? The logic is very simple. So when you add, your result will be greater than 8 bits. Okay. So by default, the destination is always the accumulator. Okay. So when you add two numbers, you may have a carry, you may not have a carry. Okay. So whenever you add two numbers, when you have a carry, you have to update that carry register. Okay. So we will have two registers, registers A and register B. Okay. Initially, both will be initialized to 0. Both will be initialized to 0. Okay. So when you add two numbers, the sum will be stored in accumulator. Okay. And if that addition generates a carry, you increment the register B. Okay, let us see that. So first is 80H plus 90H. Okay. So when you add these two, what is the result you will be getting? Let's see in the calculator. 80H, I have kept the calculator in hex mode, plus 90H. So you are getting 110H. It means the result is greater than 8 bit. Okay. So in this case, there is a carry being generated. Okay. So the lower byte, that is 10, it will be stored in accumulator. Okay. Since a carry was generated, you will increment the contents of register B to 1. So this is your first addition. In the second addition, okay, what will you add? You will add the previous sum, that is 10H plus the next number. Next number is 95H. Fine. So let us see what is 10H. 10H plus 95. So it is A5. A5H. Has the carry been generated? It means is the result greater than 8 bit? No. So you will not increment the accumulator and accumulator. You will not increment register B, and B will be still 1. Third addition. What is the last result? A5. It will be added with the next number, that is 85. Okay. Now let us see. So A5 plus 85. It is 1 to A. So the result is greater than 8 bit. So register A will contain 2A. Now since the carry has been generated or the result is greater than 8 bit, again register B will be incremented. So 1 will become 2 now. So we have the last number left, that is 70H. In the fourth addition, what was the previous result? 2A. So 2A, it is added with 70H. Okay. So what will be the result? Let us see. So 2A plus 70. It is 9A. So this will contain 9A in hexadecimal, and this will contain 2. Okay. So this is the lower byte of the result, and this is the higher byte of the result. So what, and we have seen when we added all this, it should be 29AH. You can see it is 29AH. Okay, and you can see we had 5 numbers. So for 5 numbers, we had how many additions? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means for n numbers, we will have n minus 1 additions. I hope this logic is clear to you. Okay, shall we write the program? Let us write the program. Initialize the count, move r2 comma hash 5. What is this? This is the count. Then I will decrement r2 because I have to do n minus 1 addition. Please observe the comments I am writing. The comments should reflect the functionality of the program. Okay. Now, to this memory location 30H, I need a pointer. So let me initialize a pointer. So move r0 comma hash 30H. Okay. Pointer to 30H. Fine. Now, fine. So I will move this number to accumulator, move a comma at the rate of r0. Okay. So I have to add this with the next number. So I will say increment r0. Okay. Then I will say add a comma at the rate of r0. So addition is done here. Okay. So I have to store the carry in register B. So I will initialize B with hash 0. So that initially nothing is there in register B. Fine. Is this clear? Or shall I come again? So we initialize the count n minus 1 addition. So I have decremented r2. B I have initialized to 0 because I don't want anything initially. R0 is pointing to memory location 30H. Okay, so first I copied the first number in accumulator. I wanted the second number, so I updated the pointer. Now I am performing addition of the first number and the second number. Okay, now next is I have to check whether the carry has been generated or not. If there is no carry, okay, then you have to skip. You need not update register B. But if there is a carry, you have to increment register B. Okay, and this you have to repeat until your count becomes 0. So decrement jump on non-zero r2 comma again. So where will be the again now? So your again will be at increment or not. That is to point to the next number. Fine. So after the addition, register B contains the higher byte and register A contains the lower byte of the result. Fine. So let us execute this. And I will use the same data 80H, 90H so that it is, we can verify our program. So modify the data 80, 90, then how much it was? 95. Okay, I have to enter in hexadecimal 0 into 80, 0 into 90, 0 into 95, into 85, 0 into 70. Fine. See, I have initialized the data to 80H, 90H, 95H, 85H and 70H as it was in Excel. Okay. Let's execute and understand the program. So count is 5. So for n minus 1 addition, so count has become 4 now. Initially I will make B 0. Already by default it will be 0, but it is a good practice. Then R0 is pointing to 30H. The first data 80H has come in accumulator. Then increment the pointer. Now R 0, it is pointing to memory location 31. Okay, add 80H and 90H now and see the carry flag here. Okay, see the carry flag has been 1 because addition of 80 plus 90, as we had seen in the Excel sheet, will generate a carry. Fine. So accumulator contains 1 0. Now since carry flag was generated, this condition will be false and register B will be incremented by 1. Fine. And still the count has not become to 0. We will repeat this process. Okay. Now I will increment or then to the next memory location which contains 95. Okay, this is added with the previous result. So 10 plus 95 is A5. As you can see, no carry has been generated. So this condition will be true. So we need not increment the register B. So it will come and this will go on repeating until your count becomes 0. So at last, check out the result. So register B contains 2, the higher bit of the result. Register A contains the lower bit of the result, that is 9A. Okay, that was our result, right? 29AH. Fine. Okay. So this is the program for addition of bytes in an array. Okay, please execute this program, understand this program, and try to execute without seeing. If you have any doubts, you can drop a message to me. Thank you.